ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम्। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती। दीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। निधनपतये नमः। निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः। ऊर्ध्वाय नमः। ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः। हिरण्याय नमः। हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः। सुवर्णाय नमः। सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः। दिव्याय नमः। दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः। भवाय नमः। भवलिङ्गाय नमः। सर्वाय नमः। सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः। शिवाय नमः। शिवलिङ्गाय नमः। ज्वालाय नमः। ज्वाललिङ्गाय नमः। आत्माय नमः। आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः। परमाय नमः। परमलिङ्गाय नमः। एतत् सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गगस्तापायति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रं। सत्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि। सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः। भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां। भवोद्भवाय नमः। वामदेवाय नमो। ज्येष्ठाय नमः। श्रेष्ठाय नमो। रुद्राय नमः। कालाय नमः। कलविकरणाय नमो। बलविकरणाय नमो। बलाय नमो। बलप्रमथनाय नमः। सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो। मनोत्मनाय नमः। अघोरेभ्यो तघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु। रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। मेधा देवी जुसमाना न आगात् विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्पतेम विदते सुवीरा त्वया जुस्ता ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मागतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व द्रविणो न मेदे मेदाम इन्द्रो ददातु मेदां देवी सरस्वती मेदा मे अश्विनः भुवा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः दैवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगती जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सामान् मेधा सुप्रदीकाजुसन्तां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। नीला देवी गुं शरणमां प्रपद्ये गृह्णाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वन्तिरन्तिरासानो अस्तु ध्रुवादृशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषान सहसोया मनोन्ता बृहस्पतेर्मातरि श्रोतवायुस्सन्दुवाना वाता अभिनो गृह्णतु विष्टम्भो दिवो दरुडः पृथिव्या अशेषान जगतो विष्णुपत्नी। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ अत पुरुषो वै नारायणो कामयता प्रजाश्रितियेति नारायणात् प्राणो जायते मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च कं वायुज्योतिराप पृथिवी विश्वस्य धारिणी नारायणात् ब्रह्मा जायते नारायणात् रुद्रो जायते नारायणात् इन्द्रो जायते नारायणात् प्रजापतयः प्रजायन्ते नारायणात् द्वादशादित्या रुद्रा वसवः सर्वाणि च छन्दागुंसि नारायणात् देवसमुत्पद्यन्ते नारायणे प्रवर्तन्ते नारायणे प्रलीयन्ते ॐ अत नित्यो नारायणः ब्रह्मा नारायणः शिवश्च नारायणः शक्रश्च नारायणः द्यावा पृथिव्यौ च नारायणः कालश्च नारायणः दिशश्च नारायणः ऊर्ध्वश्च नारायणः अधश्च नारायणः अन्तर्बहिश्च नारायणः नारायण एवेदगुं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् निष्कलो निरञ्जनो निर्विकल्पो निराख्याता शुद्धो देव एको नारायणः न द्वितीयोऽस्ति कश्चित् य एवं वेद स विष्णुरेव भवति स विष्णुरेव भवति ॐ इत्यग्रे व्याहरे नम इति पश्चात् नारायणायेत्युपरिष्टात् ॐ इत्येकाक्षरं नम इति द्वे अक्षरे नारायणायेति पञ्चाक्षराणि एतत् वै नारायणस्याक्षरं पदं यो ह वै नारायणस्याक्षरं पदमत्येति अनपब्रुवः सर्वमायुरेति विन्दते प्राजापत्यगुं रायस्पौषं गौपत्यं ततो मृतत्वमस्तु ते ततो मृतत्वमस्तु त इति य एवं वेद प्रत्यगानन्दं ब्रह्मपुरुषं प्रणवस्वरूपम् अकार उकार मकार इति तानेकदा समभरत्तदेतदोमिति यामुच्यते योगी जन्म संसारबन्धनात् ॐ नमो नारायण एति मन्त्रोपासकः वैकुण्ठभुवनलोकं गमिष्यति तदिदं परं पुण्डरीकं विज्ञानगणं तस्मात् तदिदावन्मात्रं ब्रह्मण्यो देवकी पुत्रो ब्रह्मण्यो मधुसूदनो सर्वभूतस्थमेकं नारायणं कारणरूपमकार परब्रह्मो एतदतर्वशिरो योऽधीति प्रातरतीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयते सायमदीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयते माद्यन्दिनवादित्यादिमकोदीयान पञ्चपातकोपपातकात् प्रमुच्यते सर्ववेदपारायण पुण्यं लभते नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत् सहना भवन्तु सह नो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महेशां गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
विनायका 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 विश्वाधारा विनायका विश्वाधारा विनायका 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 सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सिद्धि विनायक भवभयनाशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्री गणेशा सुरमुनिवन्दित श्री गणेशा विनायका विनायका
भैरवी अम्बे भवानी
भैरवी अम्बे भवानी
भैरवी अम्बे भवानी
भैरवी अम्बे भवानी
जगदम्बे माता जग जननी जगदम्बे माता जग जननी अम्ब भैरवी अम्बे भवानी नारायणी पतित पावनी नारायणी पतित पावनी परतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी परतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी भैरवी अम्बे भवानी जगदम्बे माता जग जननी अम्ब भैरवी अम्बे भवानी नारायणी पतित पावनी परतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी परतिपुरीश्वरी साई जननी भैरवी अम्बे भवानी
अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए द्वारकवासी शाम है शिरडी में आए द्वारकवासी शाम है शिरडी में आए शिरडीवासी राम है पति सत्य साई शिरडीवासी शाम है पति सत्य साई बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो बोलो सत्य साई राम। बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम। अयोध्या वासी राम है द्वारक में आए। द्वारक वासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए। शिरडी वासी श्याम है पति सत्य साई। बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम। बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम। अयोध्या वासी राम है द्वारक में आए।
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि। नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि। राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि। विश्वरूप साई देव नारायण हरि हरि। राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा। सत्य साई देवा। सत्य साई देवा। यीशु बुद्धो नानक। यीशु बुद्धो नानक। चौरास्त्र महावीर तुम हो। चौरास्त्र महावीर तुम हो। राम ही तुम हो कृष्ण ही तुम हो। प्रिय देवा सत्य साई देवा यीशु बुझो नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम राम तुम कृष्ण तुम ईश्वर रूप तुम ईश्वर रूप तुम सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 शंकर महादेवा हर हर शंकर महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा 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 महादेवा सदा शिवा सदा शिवा नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 शंकर महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा महादेवा सदा शिवा सदा शिवा महादेवा नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
Swami, you are my everything. We love you, dearest I. We love you. Jai Sai Ram. Happy birthday, Swami. You are my king, you are my hero. Thanks for blessing all of us. Ram. Happy birthday, Baba. We love you.
आज तुम्हारा जन्म दिवस है, परब्रह्म अवतारे। सारी सृष्टि मंगल गाए, जैसा शुभकारी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे to you, happy birthday 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 to you.
We wish you happy birthday, Swami.
Happy 95th birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami. My exams are coming soon. I hope I can pass.
Sai Ram. Happy birthday, Swami. I love you.
Happy birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami. This is a birthday card I made just for you. Life isn't measured by the number of years you live, but by the number of stories you can tell. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you, Swami. Happy 95th birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami. This is a small message that I wrote for Swami. A small message to Swami. A very happy birthday to you. Thank you for all you've done for us, like keeping us safe from COVID-19 and many more. Love, myself, Titi. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami.
a well-wishes me. Thank you and Jai Sairam.
Sairam, Swami is everything to me.
Swami is someone who teaches me good things through Bal Vikas. Sai Ram. Sai Baba for me is my God and my daddy. Om Sai Ram. For me, Baba is a guide and good luck. Om Sai Ram. Bhagavan is my eternal mother and father.
Om Sai Ram. Sai Baba is a guide and teacher to me.
Sai Baba is my impression and love.
Koti pranams to the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram, dear uncles, aunties, brothers and sisters. In conjunction with Swami's 95th birthday, we, the Group 3 SSC students of SSBC Taman Yal, would like to offer a presentation of love on the 9 forms of Bhakti and 9 codes of conduct. Swami has told us to surrender totally to his lotus feet. Referring to Tapovanam chapter 18, Swami has given us the 9 forms of Bhakti and step by step, which will lead us to total surrender to his lotus feet.
At this first stage, we listen to the Lord's stories, Leelas and Mahimas. Listening to the glories of the Lord is the alarm clock which wakes us up to begin our spiritual journey.
Kirtanam. The second stage is singing the glories of the Lord's name. By singing His glories with faith and feeling, we can invoke the Lord's presence anywhere at any time.
Smarana, remembering. At this third stage of devotion, we remember the Lord's name. The constant recital of the name of the God and any 1 million names by which He is identified is the best way of correcting and cleansing the mind of man.
Pada Sevanam. Pada means feet, Seva means serving. This is when you blend the practices of Karma Yoga with Bhakti. In doing your duty and serving a Lord, develop the power that you are serving and worshipping the Lord's feet. This is the fourth stage of Bhakti.
Archanam, worshipping. The fifth stage of the ladder of devotion is an offering. We should fill our minds with wealth of values and worship the Lord with flowers that are grown with love in the garden of our minds.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Praveen and I am from Group 3. Today I am going to talk about Vandanam, salutation. This sixth link on this highway of devotion is salutations. Holding on to the Lord with love is a true devotion while performing our dharma. Let that be our consistent prayer, a true Vandanam.
Dasyam. This is the seventh stage. Dasyam means servitude. It is a form of devotion in which the devotee regards God as the master and considers himself as a servant, just like the relationship between Rama and Hanuman.
The eighth stage is friendship. In this stage, we see Lord as our companion, the only friend who will continue to be with us for all the time is the divine friend Lord.
Atma Nivedana, surrender. This is the last step which leads the devotee straight to his beloved Lord. Leaving everything to God's will is the highest form of devotion. Whether we lose or gain, have pain or pleasure, our faith must be unshaken. Whatever happens, accept it as God's gift. Thank you.
Swami, for immense love for his devotees, has guided us with the 9 codes of conduct, so we devotees will undertake this sadhana, spiritual discipline, as an integral part of daily life and abide by the following codes of conduct.
Daily meditation and prayers.
Devotional singing or prayers with family members once a week.
Participating in science spiritual education by children of the family.
Participation in community service and other activities of the organization.
Regular attendance at devotional meetings conducted by the organization.
A regular study of Sri Sai Baba literature.
Use of soft, loving speech with everyone.
Avoidance of talking ill of others, especially in their absence.
Practice of principle of sealing on desire. Consciously and continuously striving to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food and energy, and utilizing therapy generated for the services of mankind.
We are very lucky to have Swami to teach us these eternal truths. God has come as a man today so that many may become God. He has come to help us to improve ourselves and experience the divine. This is our pledge to Swami to guide and be with us forever. Thank you and Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Kisharam and I am from Group 4. There was a task given to us which we have to choose a Swami's quote and explain it. The quote that I choose is, without confidence, nothing can be accomplished. So why I chose this quote is, confidence is the most important thing in our life. So how do I define this? I'm very sure that people out there wants to achieve something. So if they want to achieve it successfully, they must have the strong confidence in themselves so that they can achieve it successfully. So how do I implement this quote in my daily life is how, when I am doing revision or exams or even I'm studying, I'll have the strong confidence on myself so that I can do it better. Okay, so how do Balikas benefits me? I really learned a lot of important things and knowledge, and I really had fun with the teachers and the students by doing cardboard and interesting tasks, and that's all.
Everyone, my name is Krishnan Suresh. I'm from Group 4, and the quote that I would like to share with you guys today is the beauty of life depends upon our good habits. The reason why I chose this quote is because this quote differentiates the people who are successful and the people who are not. And another reason why I chose this quote is because this quote gives us a perfect example of how tiny changes in life can make a huge difference. And the meaning of this quote is, this quote tells us that our habits reflects to what we think of life. For example, if someone was to get up early and exercise versus someone who gets up late and complaining that he doesn't have time to exercise. So how to implement this quote is that you can implement this quote by changing a mindset and by changing a behavior towards a certain situation. For example, the people who are in debt always blame the government or the bank for charging them a high interest rate, and they don't take actions for why they are in debt or why life is giving them such a hard time. So Balikas taught me how to be a better person, and also how to help others when they need the help, and also how to be more confident, how to change my behavior and my habits overall to be a better person.
Saira, my name is Diwakara Rao Kisubaro. I am from SSBC of Tamanya. Duty is God, work is worship. Why I choose the quote is because even this work is a flower placed at the feet of God. This quote defines is a work is worship are necessary to take away the veil to lift off the bandage and illusion. Implement in my daily life is working, helping people. After me joining in Bal Vikas, I was a lot of changes in my life. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
Hello everybody, my name is Divyasri from Group 4. So today I'll be talking about a quote that I have chosen, which is being a good example is the best form of service. Well, why I choose this quote was it was very easy to be interpreted and to be understood, and also be practiced in our daily lives. Not only that, it also sets a reminder for us every day through wherever you are or whenever you are. You can just think about this quote and you can reflect yourself with it. The meaning of this quote, being a good example is the best form of service, is a good example can be expressed in many ways, such as being humble, being kind to whenever you can, staying productive, and also having a positive mind at all times. This may inspire others to lead a good and happy life. Well, this character trait, which is being a good example to others, is therefore the best service you can give to yourself and also to God Himself. How do you implement this quote, which is being a good example is the best service to God? Is always seeing the positive side in all the bad outcomes, to never give up, to always talk humble to everyone you see. Try to help out anyone who is in trouble, even if it's just a small help. Well, rather than that, handling your money efficiently and not spending them too much is also can be set as a good example and to be inspired to others to follow who you are. Well, I know people say that don't copy others and be yourself. Well, being the good example can be inspired to other people and make them lead a good and happy life. But not least, I'm here to talk about how Bal Vikas benefited me in life. Well, I started Bal Vikas when I was standard 4, and trust me, I didn't like it at all at first. But as time goes, I've learned many things, such as help me learn the values in life, be a better person in who I am, and able to differentiate many bad and good categories which I never even knew before this. It also helps me to boost my personality by erasing the bad thoughts and always keep the good ones. Last but not least, able to think openly in all the possible outcomes, to never give up just like that, and think of many as options I can have and took my decisions, whether to be a good decision from all my options there is. Thank you and Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Ram everyone, my name is Asmai Rao. The quote that I've chosen this year is, life is a challenge, play it. Life is a dream, realize it. Life is love, enjoy it. The reason that I've chosen this quote is because I realized that life is too short and we should enjoy it to the maximum. The definition of the quote that I've chosen is, life is the biggest challenge that we are going to face, and we should realize it quickly and we should go with the flow that life has chosen for us. I implement this quote in my life every day, as in helping my family, helping my friends, and helping everyone I know in any way possible. The last question that they have given is, how has Bal Vikas benefited my life? In my perspective, Bal Vikas has majorly impacted my life in many ways. I have met many friends, I have met many mentors, and they have helped me in my life massively, and I cannot thank them enough. And they have taught me a lot of human values that I, until today, still practice this. That is all I have today. Thank you, Jai Saram.
The reason I choose this quote is because I believe that God is omnipresent. As Swami himself also said, "Come just one step forward, I shall take 100 towards you. Shed just one tear, I shall wipe off 100 from your eyes." The meaning of this quote is, the more we worship the Almighty, the more closer He is to us. I implement this quote in my daily life by praying to the Lord daily, reading the Vedas, and writing Litika Japa, which is a worship to the Lord by writing His name repeatedly. By attending Bal Vikas, I have gained a lot of spiritual knowledge and have a deeper understanding in the 5 human values, which is Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa, truth, righteousness, peace, love, and non-violence. After joining Bal Vikas, the positive changes that I've seen in myself are, I have become a more self-confident and a determined person. I'm able to stay focused on my goals, and I have a better time management.
Inspires me and makes me very happy whenever I think about all the good deeds that I've actually done throughout my life. And you see this, if man wants to worship the God, they can do better by serving the poor ones and needy ones. Because God doesn't only present Himself in idols, but also in all living things around us. I donate some money to the poor and also needy ones. Moreover, I also give away my unwanted clothes and things to the nearby orphanage. It only gains spiritual knowledge, but I think I personally changed myself. I started avoiding bad vibes like anger, hatred, and jealousy. One was always calm and peaceful. By following Baba's principles, I think I became a better person.
Sai Ram everybody, I'm Sai Rama from Group 4 of SSBC of Tamanya. The quote that I've chosen this time is here. Oh wait, no, it's not that, it's here. Discipline is the mark of intelligent living. So, I chose this quote because it applies to every single person, despite their socio-economic status and their religion. generally means if you make yourself disciplined, you are living a smart life. This quote is relatable to everybody in this situation, the CMCO situation. By following SOP and CMCO rules like wearing the mask whenever we go out, sanitizing our hand every now and then, physical distancing and social distancing, you are making yourself disciplined. When you make yourself disciplined, you are actually living a smart life by stopping the spread of COVID-19. Thank you, stay healthy, stay safe, Jai Sai.
Sairam, Bhagavan's counsel for today. There are many who do not understand the Sai principle. Who is this Sai? Why are certain things happening in this manner? These questions are asked. I am not a sannyasi, renunciant. I am not a yogi. I am not a bhogi, pleasure seeker. I am not a tyagi, one who sacrifices. I am I. This I is the first name given to the Atma. A renunciant is bound by certain restrictions. The pleasure seeker is bound in other ways. I have no limitations. Mine is boundless bliss. My name is I. It is not a name, given after one's birth. To understand me, everyone has to realize that the I is present in everyone. The I is used by everyone in every context, whether one is a millionaire or a pauper. This I is Brahman. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahman. Everyone should strive to recognize the divinity that is present in all. This effort has to be made by everyone. Human birth has been given for this purpose. It cannot be left to God. Jai Sai Ram. And now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivadana Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Asmita Kalpalatika Asmita Kalpalatika Avatardava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Atapita Gurudevam Mariyandayunive Swami Mariyandayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Om Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Mangala Arati Mangala Girigari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana 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 Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana 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 Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana 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 Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Shanti 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 Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Shanti Shanti Shanti